beam slab reinforcement connection of our my house or our house in KTHಳ್ಳಿ Gauribidnur Taluk. 16 using the 10 mm rods and 12 mm rods. For beams 16 mm rods. You have to see this one. What is that one? This width between the width between the reinforcement bars. Minimum 150 mm. 150 mm means 15 centimeter. Center to center of the reinforcement bars. Center to center 15 centimeter. Center to center 15 centimeter. And both way slabs and bending, alternate bending. You have to see the alternate bending of minimum 45 degree or something below 45 degree. In the middle region of the what is that one? In the here is the wall andre support. In between shear reinforcement is provided there. No, their wall support is there. Up to the end of the wall support we have to shear reinforcement, and means bending of the alternate you have to see the bending alternate bending of reinforcement rod in the upper region of the slab. Is the one way slab. You have to see one way slab. This is the staircase. 16 mm rods and 12 mm rods are there for the staircase. How to see the what is that one? Reinforcement 16 mm rods, beam connection something up to the center of the slab. You have to see. Thank you, one and all. Subscribe to my channel. Any construction details